Catherine here once again to show you in details the King Camera Photodesk. Now that you're familiar with the camera module and you've taken tons of photos that have automatically been saved to the Photodesk, let's do a detailed walkthrough of this very important module. First off, what is the Photodesk? The Photodesk is your image manager. In a way, it is similar to your device's camera roll, but it resides inside the King Camera application. Simply put, the Photodesk is your photo headquarters. It's from your Photodesk that you can choose to browse, edit, and share your photos. I'll start by going through the Photodesk main view. As you can see, the photos I took with King Camera are shown as thumbnails. If you have more than 9 photos, just swipe your finger like this to view the other thumbnails. You can see how many pages of photos you have in the Photodesk by looking at the white page bullets below the thumbnails. As you can see, when you enter the Photodesk, the bottom menu bar has 3 options: Import, Camera, and News. Tapping on Import brings you to your device's camera roll so that you may select a photo and import it into King Camera's Photodesk. Tapping on the camera icon brings you to the King Camera's camera module. The third option in the bottom menu is the News button. If you tap on it, the saycheese.com blog will appear without leaving King Camera. Okay, now let's look at what happens when I tap on a photo thumbnail. As you can see, the photo is highlighted and buttons appear on the thumbnail corners. The bottom menu also changed. We'll come back to that in a second. On the thumbnail corners, you have the green Q button to go and edit your photo in Quickmatic. This is the yellow P button to also edit your photo in Promatic. And you have the gray I button to access the current photo's information. Let's have a look at the photo info. Here, you'll find general metadata info like ISO, shutter speed, and you'll also find editing information if you applied edits to your photo in either Quickmatic or Promatic. You can view photo info from other photos by simply swiping your finger across the image thumbnail. By tapping the map, you'll have a geolocation map. You can do additional things with your current selected photo. Using the bottom menu, you can browse, share, export, and delete your photo. Tapping on Browse lets you view a larger version of your photos. The Browse mode also allows you to view all the photos available in the Photodesk, simply moving from one to the other by swiping your finger. The bottom menu offers you the same options as before, that is, the option to edit your photo in Quickmatic or Promatic, an option to go back to the Photodesk main view, and to share, export, and delete your photo. Let's tap on the Photodesk icon. There, we're back. A quick tip for you. You can also enter and exit the Browse mode by simply double tapping on the thumbnail, like so, and double tapping on the large view photo to return. Deleting a photo is pretty straightforward. Select the photo and tap Delete. Once you've confirmed that you want to delete the photo is deleted from King Camera and your device. Let's take a look at the export function. To understand export, you need to know how your photos are stored on your device. The photos you see in the Photodesk reside inside King Camera. On your device, you also have the default camera roll. The camera roll is the default location your device saves photos to. When you use King Camera, the photos only reside inside King Camera. So, the King Camera export option is there to transfer your photos from King Camera's Photodesk to your device's camera roll. There are many reasons why you might want to transfer your photo to the device's camera roll, but the main reason is usually for backup purposes. When you tap on Export, you'll have the option to export the photo to your camera roll in 3 different resolutions. Let's export this photo in web resolution. There, it's done. The photo was exported to the device camera roll and it remains in the Photodesk for future use. Last but not least, when you select a photo, you can share it with your friends. From this single screen, you can select one or multiple sharing destinations. And what's great about King Camera, you only have to write your text once to share to multiple destinations. To select a destination, simply tap on its respective icon to activate it. You can easily tell if the destination is active because it's now in color. If you wish to unselect a destination, just tap on it again, like so. Sharing to social media websites requires you to log in. If you haven't entered your login details yet, you'll be prompted to do so right away. Once you've logged in, the information will be saved and you won't have to enter the information again. Just tap and hold any of the sharing icons to view the Connect screen again. Now all you need to do is write a message to accompany your photo. I am sharing this photo with King Camera. If you selected Twitter as a destination, like I did, you'll notice a Twitter character counter just under the text box. Twitter has a character limit, so the counter is a visual reference to let you know how many characters you have left. If you're sharing to Twitter and other destinations that allow text, the Twitter account will become red as a reference. Look in the text. You will notice a sad face. This is where your Twitter message ends, and any text beyond that point will still be posted to your other destinations without the sad face. If for any reason you decide not to share your photos just yet, simply tap the Cancel button at the top right to return to the Photodesk. At the moment, I want to share it, so I'll tap Go. King Camera is processing the photo to be shared, and that's all there is to it. Once your photo is shared, you are brought back to the Photodesk. Another cool feature in the Photodesk main view is the ability to multi-select your images. Use the multi-select feature to share multiple photos or to export or delete multiple images at once. To activate multi-select mode, all you need to do is tap and hold on a thumbnail like so. You know you're in multi-select mode when a dashed green outline appears around the photo. You can now select as many images as you want by tapping on them. To deselect them, just tap on each photo again. You will notice a Select All button on the bottom menu when you are in multi-select mode. Tapping it will select all 9 images you see in the current Photodesk page. To exit multi-select mode, just tap the Cancel button at the bottom. I kept the best feature for last, stacks. You probably already noticed that some of the thumbnails in my Photodesk have a black shadow under it and a number in the bottom right. Those are visual cues that indicate a stack of photos. A stack of photos contains at least 2 photos stacked on top of each other. The number of photos in that stack is indicated by the small number visible on the top thumbnail. My current stack contains 2 photos. Stacks are created when you edit a photo in either Promatic or Quickmatic, and you saved it back to the Photodesk. You see, you always have your original photo as a reference. Isn't that awesome? This means you can do as many different edits as you like with your photos, and King Camera will always create a copy. Let me show you how it works. I've selected this image, and now I'll tap on Quickmatic. For more details on how to use Quickmatic, I encourage you to watch the Quickmatic video tutorial available in King Camera Settings menu. Now I'll choose a look. Tap Apply, and I'm brought back to the Photodesk. Notice that the thumbnail now has the number 2 and a black shadow. This stack now contains the original photo and the edited photo. The edited photo was automatically added on top of the stack. If you want to delete a complete stack, nothing could be easier. Tap on the stack, tap on Delete, and you'll have the option to delete the top photo or all the photos in the stack. Well, that about covers all of King Camera's Photodesk options. A very powerful photo management tool right in the palm of your hands.